After only a week in office, New York Governor Kathy Hochul calls the legislature back to Albany.
It's a rare special session, and lawmakers are addressing the ban on evictions and the sale of marijuana. CBS 2 political reporter Marcia Kramer here now with more. Marcia.
Well, Maurice and Christine, it's safe to say that tens of thousands of tenants are going to be thrilled with the extension of the eviction moratorium. But as for landlords and Republican lawmakers, well, not so much. Landlords are going to sue to stop the governor in her tracks. There was applause when the state Senate gavelled into session just after noon for a special session called by Governor Hochul. But the applause was not for the legislation they were called to deal with, but for Senator Brian Benjamin, who next week will become the lieutenant governor. After just 6 minutes, the Senate adjourned.
The Senate will stand at ease.
As is the way in Albany, lawmakers went into back rooms to discuss the legislation to extend an eviction moratorium, seeking to find some way to please both tenants and landlords. The bill extends the pandemic eviction moratorium until January 15th, which gives the state more time to speed up distribution of $2.7 billion in stalled federal aid.
We're not going to exacerbate what is already a crisis in terms of the homelessness problem. We are not going to allow people who no fault of their own, lost income, not able to pay, and facing eviction.
The move came on the heels of a pro-landlord Supreme Court ruling that blocked a key section of New York's law because landlords had no way to challenge a tenant's hardship declaration. The new bill allows landlords who think their tenants have not suffered economic hardship to request a court hearing. But landlords said the protections were insufficient. We are going to ask our attorney to make a motion to enforce the Supreme Court order and to stay the new legislation, said Joseph Strasburg of the Rent Stabilization Association, a landlord group. Republicans quickly jumped on the bandwagon.
The issue is that you have a ton of property owners, many of whom are not wealthy. They are middle-income folks. They are cops, business owners, moms and dads, military veterans who haven't received rent in almost 2 years.
The governor also tried to get the state's stalled marijuana program up and running by naming people to the Cannabis Management Board, which pleased Democratic mayoral candidate Eric Adams.
Bring the joints. It's time. Let's get this done.
Well, in another development, Governor Hochul added 2 more women to her team, including Catherine Garcia, former New York City Sanitation Commissioner and mayoral candidate. She was named Director of State Operations. Maurice and Christine.
Okay, Marcia, thank you.
Thank you, Marcia.
Bring the joints.
Yeah, he said it.
If only it would be that easy, right?
He said it.
Thanks, Marcia.